And just as I turn the camera on, it stops. It's raining! Oh God, it's raining. I can't believe it. Oh my God, that got so close. Within miles, within 5 to 6 miles, we had a fire. Oh, I've never been so happy for the rain. Want to shout out and thank everybody who did the rain dance. Summoning the sky waters. Just as the fires of hell engulfed our lovely state, water comes in from the left field. It's the battle of the elements out here for the fate of humanity itself. It smells lovely. Last night it smelled like smoke and there was a haze in the distance. And now we are saved. Look at all this water. Everything is shiny. You think any of this is gonna burn? I doubt it. You hear that? You know, some of you may be bewildered by my excitement, but you have no idea how close those fires got here in San Diego. Near the border, decimated by fires. Oh, what a sigh of relief. And I think it's gonna be for a couple of days. I hope so. Oh, we gotta get this place soaked. Y'all keep doing the water dance. Keep carrying on. Look at all that water down there. I wish I could zoom in further, but that's water. Is that a street sign? Oh no, that's a fence. Just a wonderful Sunday morning with hope in the air. You know, besides the rain, there's a taste of hope for Californians. Because for a while there, I thought the wrath of God has come upon us for all of our sins. But alas, a silver lining. Little puddles and wet leaves. Never have I been so joyful to see wet leaves, unlike the evil dry leaves. And mere days after Trump becomes president. Coincidence? Are the gods approving of the way that I voted? Maybe not, but maybe. The things that a hardworking president can achieve. Rain in the midst of fire. Thank you, Trump, for the rain. Oh yeah, that creek is gonna fill up. Oh yeah. That's gonna be a massive river by the end of a couple of days. You see that? That's rain droplets. Oh, the sun comes out as a phenomenon of goodwill. I'll take all I can get. Look. Oh, I haven't seen such a beautiful day in all of my years. Both sun and rain cooperating together. A true mending of the elements. Although, I also thought I'd never say this, but go away, sun. We don't need you right now. We need a little bit less heat and more rain. It receded, like almost instantly. Am I controlling the clouds? Maybe I brought the rain here. I can't let this get to my head.